everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign out or log out of Shein account on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser where you are logged to your Shein account with. Once you're inside the main homepage of Shein account, in order to log out of it, go to the profile icon located at the upper right hand corner. You can simply mouse over to that and you should see a pop-up menu appearing on the display. Click on the sign out button beneath and wait for a few seconds. Soon after you do that, you will be signed out or logged out of your Shein account on your PC. To log in back again, you'll need to enter your credentials into the text boxes and click the sign in button. You can also log into your Shein account with your Google account, Facebook account, or with your phone number. That is how you can easily log out or sign out of Shein account on your PC. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.